Hello and welcome to MarineMax, Minnesota. My name is Max Kavanaugh and today we're taking a look at this beautiful used Supreme S211. It's a 2017. It's a boat that we just took in on trade. And taking a look at this exterior, you'll see the nice gray metal flake with the white accent. Also, you'll see the orange metal flake. Looks super sharp. You have a black hull bottom, some Supreme decals. You have the stainless steel pop-up cleats around the entire boat. Looking back here, you have the surf decal here. You have the gas fill on the port side here. You also have the gas fill on the starboard side as well. At the tower, you'll see the board racks that do swivel in and out. You'll have the bimini top as well that folds out, gives you lots of shade. Stainless steel pop-up cleats again around the entire boat. It does come with this trailer as well. At the back here, nice big platform, C-deck. You have a grab handle here, also doubles as a tow point, so you can tow tubers and skiers from here if you want to. On the back as well, you do have a Clarion transom stereo remote, so you can use this to control your audio level and change the song if you want to, okay? A little step here to make it easy to get in and out of the boat. Other than that, that's the exterior. Let's take a peek at the interior. All right, welcome to the interior of this Supreme S211. Looking at the back here, you'll see these back hatches do open up and you will have ballast bags on each side. They do fill up with water. When you don't fill them up with water, you can use it as storage if you'd like, for life jackets, towel bags, or dock line if you so choose to. Otherwise, when they are full, I wouldn't recommend having anything heavy on top of these bags when they're full of water, okay? Underneath this hatch is the engine, but looking at this interior, you'll see this nice layout with the orange accents, gray, the little bit darker gray. It ties in well with the exterior. You'll have cup holders on each side here. You have two speakers here in the cockpit, so 4 in total, giving you a great sound just on the water. Passenger seat here lifts up. You have storage underneath here as well. So right now the cover's there, but you do have a lot of storage, which is great. All these seats will have storage as well as you lift them up. A little bit underneath this seat. On the passenger side, you'll see you have a nice recessed glove box that does open up. Little storage compartment. It does lock too, which is nice. 2 cup holders up here. At the helm, you have a nice bolster that I'm sitting on to help me see over the windshield. Just gives me better visibility. Otherwise, you have a mirror that folds up like so. At the actual dash itself, a nice steering wheel, 3-spoke design, your traditional gauges. You have your helm control up here. So this is really gonna give you all the options for the home screen, your cruise control, your ballast levels, and your settings. You have your physical switches off to your left and to your right, like your horn, nav anchor light, stereo power, interior lights. Now on the right side, you have your blower, bilge. You have your stereo system right here. Your trim control is right here, so this is actually going to adjust and fine-tune your wave for the rider in the back surfing. Okay, your key is off to your right, the throttle is off to your right here, with a nice cup holder down by my knee. So great, well-appointed boat here. Looking up at the bow, very spacious bow. Again, 2 stereos up in the front there, 2 speakers I should say, a couple cup holders, and that really finishes off this S211 here at the MarineMax Rogers location. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call or come stop by. We'd be happy to walk you through this boat and answer any questions that you do have. Other than that, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you soon.